Hi, I thought I'd just make a real quick video to show how easy this can be in Excel. Here I have a list and it's patient name, and they have last name, first name with a comma, but can easily be done if it's first name, last name with a space. So what you have to do is go to the data section up here, choose your text to columns. So I have to choose the column I want. And actually, before I do that, I need to insert an empty column in there for it to go to. I'm going to choose the column I want. I'm going to hit text to column. I want it to be delimited because not all the names are the same length. Hit next. If you have first name, last name, you're going to want to delimit by space. You can see that it'll separate there. What I actually have commas, so I want to delimit it by comma, not space. It's whatever you have. Hit next. It'll show you what it's going to look like, which is great. Then you hit finish, and boom, I have, in this case, last name, then first name, but they're all separated out in two separate columns. It's that easy.